Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can restore your heat damaged or heat affected exhaust systems, whether it's your catalytic converters or whatever you want to do. This is a way to remove the yellowing that happens when they get really hot. And I know it looks weird, but literally Lysol Power toilet cleaner is the best thing to use. As you can see in this video, there's no tricks. I don't work for Lysol. This stuff just works amazingly, and I have no idea why, but as you can see in that last clip, that was real time, and this one I'm going to fast forward it. This first section I do right here doesn't make that much difference, if I remember correctly, but as soon as I put my finger on the center resonator, you can see how it immediately turns back to shiny silver. And once again, I have no idea why this happens, but I tried a couple of different things. I tried metal polish from Brasso. I tried sanding it down. I tried a bunch of things, and for whatever reason, this stuff works like amazingly. So just wanted to put this video out there. I do have another video about this linked in the description, but that one did horribly for some reason, and so I wanted to kind of spread the word a bit more. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do appreciate the help, I have my Venmo and my PayPal and linked in the description, as my videos aren't currently monetized.